Well, this is just Chris, and I represent for Lionfoot TV. Even a man, when you want the baddest and the maddest and the wickedest vlog them, just check out Lionfoot TV. What you telling me? This is just Chris in England. I like it, I like it. Lionfoot TV, go on them.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Big up on yourself, my lion and lioness. Yeah, man, they don't know a Lionfoot with another vlog. And we are doing it when I boast, not bragging, now, so give thanks to life, health, and strength. You know what I mean? Yes, man. Don't forget to pray and thank the Lord for the little that you have. Zine. Yes, man. Don't forget to like and share the content, to subscribe, click the bell. You know what I mean? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So coming up in this episode, it's just a follow-up. Queenie and a rival, brother named Theo. Yes, Queenie accused Theo of letting off some hot load of mess in her yard. And that will be attack already. Hot load of SHIT. You see me? Well, Queenie accused Theo. So him, but me don't know. But Theo the video said that's not him and he would never do that. So obviously, if that is a human mess, I may tell him see the video. Allah God, me I tell you look bad. Anybody do that? Low. Why? That's very low. Very low move that. You see me? We also have Dr. Lover say Bounty Care for go power with determined because the two of them career dead. I determined, see that determined in the comment section and him at me, I don't know, Mount Amasi and Footer Hype and yes, so we're going to see what I'm going to viewers and subscribers. So we are telling where social media. We are forward.
I watch them on the German represent for Lionfoot TV. You're OMG. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lionfoot Patriots out there.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. So first, I don't know where the Queen Lady Gangster and Theo kick off on the net, and it look like so them know them one another for years, coming from way back, you know. So I don't know what caused them to fall out or what made them chick off or whatever, but yeah, Theo did come out and say a clap back at Queen and blah blah blah. So now we see Queen and make a video, but we can't show the video still because you don't know, as I said, the human SHIT, you know what I mean? We were shitting at the yard, star. I say, yo, but I show you, I can hear what Queenie say. If you want to see the videos, go back Queenie page. Zine, so, yeah, here we go.
Me just tell my daughter, the whole of them are entertaining. Yeah, and an eggy man. So I come here yesterday for beat me kind of bad and come sitting on my yard. See shit, I'm up alive. Eh? Alive, me, yeah. See them, me up alive. Them wanna win again, man. Wanna win. Alive, me up and I show them the shit. Nah. God go with you, you know, Miss Girl, little Miss Girl. The man come shit and with God do away and wipe it with. Him do it.
Boy, I mean, I tell you, star, that is very disrespectful. Still, anybody who do that, if you go shit in the woman yard, front, I say me, disrespectful that still, but Queen is a Theo. Zine, so I don't know why she has a Theo, if she have proof or whatever, or she just said that through, she and him in an argument in this time and moment. Zine, so, I don't know if him, I not take up for him, I not swear for anybody, I don't know if I him or not him, but as I said, the person who do that is a very low blow that, very disrespectful. You see, so Theo did a video and I said not him, so here I go.
Wicked witch from blood clot and the house crap where you nasty blood clot and sexual. Well, they are class today. Anyways, no, I did not pull out the fucking Queen of Nothing's yard at sexual. I did not do that. There's no fucking reason. I told you I'm not gonna send no threats. I ain't gonna do nothing like that. Do it. You cannot in England with nobody name will come from Theo or where they in a Theo family. No. Let me tell you this from now that. All of the threats, it don't make no sense. You brought this overboard. Gangsters, so did you. I asked you to stop and you're now playing victim.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So you see, that's Theo. I say, yo, you know, boy, Theo get famous, you know. Yo, what viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think of that action. If it was you, yeah, that happened, or what would you do, you know? So let me know how you feel about that. It's a low move though. For me, that's a very low move, you see it? Yeah man, very disrespectful, you know. You go and leg of the human load there. Either the woman yard. We see in the comment section people that say she a queen do it. You see me, but as me say, you know, as a low move, very disrespectful. I wouldn't like nobody if you do that to me, my enemy, you see me? Yeah, you see it? Yeah man. So let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers. You see it? So moving on now, you don't know. Bounty Killer and Mr. Vegas have them clash again. Bounty drop back a song named Murderation. So we still have wait from Vegas for drop film, you know. We see him do an artwork with Acting upon it, Style G upon it, a few other people upon the artwork. So you know Mr. Vegas in him last song when him do him attack footer hype, you know what I mean? Attack footer hype and a few more people. So yeah, Vegas I got all out. So Dr. Love now do a local live. I say yo, I look a video. I say Bounty Killer dead and even if you got spar determined because the two of them career dead. You see me? I don't know why Dr. Love trouble determined. You know?
You know, the killer if you just go perform with determined. I told them career upon a pause, you know.
Right, Dr. Love, that easy, you know. But anyway, we see determined responding in the comment section. And at this way, determined I say, you see, I'm already beating stick. Clear the internet or tangle up while you swim with some fish emoji. Let someone else talk, okay? You are a real waste man. Don't want to hear from you. Look, see, I'm already with a champagne. I don't know why Buzubaya said that. I determined I said that I'm already beating stick with Dr. Love. You see me, I don't know, but anybody have any clue or you don't know, fill me in the comment section. See? Determined never done so he make an next post and this is the post where him tag me and Motor Massey and Footer Hype, etc. See now this is how him say the last post he make. Me no business with the war. But any me see you it cargo I saw it. Me not really understand the typing at the top still, but I must say me no business with the war. But any me see you it cargo I saw it go. You guys need to give it a break. By now, Anamare, beating stick, Dr. Bug. Laugh out loud. You no see say, are you got obia? Or are you look like you are suffer so? The laughing emoji. And him tag, real Dr. Love, him tag Lionhood TV, that I mean, him tag Motor Massey, and Footer Hype Entertainment. See? So, it no sound personality. It sound like some little bantering, mustering thing I go on. See me? But yeah, man, I don't know. I just enlighten you. You see it? Dr. Love was a killer. Mr. Vegas skill killer. You see me? But viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section about Queenie and Theo. If you think Theo really did that in a leg of the mess in a Queenie yard, or like Queenie, I tell you. See me? And I don't know, Buzuma and Dr. Love run it off. You see me? Dr. Love say, Bounty career, they on pause like Buzuma determined me shock, you see me? Yeah, you don't know a lion foot, you know. I say big up on yourself. You see me? I say don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Yeah man, so you don't miss the next content when we drop one, alright? Peace out. I'm out.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. I drop guys, we got me bed hungry. Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.